Alrighty. Hello, everybody. I'm going to take just a few minutes here and look at some homework questions from topic 1 in Alex. All right. The first question I'm going to take a look at with you guys is a word problem. It says that Keisha drove 408 miles using 16 gallons of gas. At this rate, how many miles would she drive using 11 gallons of gas? All right. What we're going to do is set up ourselves a proportion. All right. So the proportion is miles over gallons. You guys see that? 408 miles over 16 gallons. What I don't know is X. So X miles over 11 gallons. I then am going to cross multiply, right? I'm going to cross multiply. It says multiply both sides by 11. So you have 408 times 11, right? Divided by 16 equals X. You drop that into your calculator and you get 280.5. All right. If you want to see the work that I've done with that in Excel, watch here. Just click on the cell and you can see I put in B1, which is the 408, divided by B2, which is the 16, times D2, which is the 11. And the answer is 280.5. You can then drop that in your answer box and you guys are good to go. You can use this for any of the formulas, right? It doesn't matter if they're the same numbers or not. Just change the cells B1, B2, D2, and Excel will automatically calculate that for you. Okay, you can also click the link to Desmos if you like. In Desmos calculator, I've set up the same exact question. They're giving you a couple of different options to complete this question. And once again, this is a word problem using proportions. All right, thank you much, guys. We'll see you. Take care. Bye.